आई होप के डायग्राम देख के कुछ क्लियर हुआ होगा कि रॉकेट है, सैटेलाइट है, रेडिएशंस है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ सैटेलाइट कि जब फर्स्ट स्टेज रॉकेट सैटेलाइट को कुछ सर्टेन हाइट तक लेके जाता है, and after that we have to give the horizontal velocity, and if that horizontal velocity is equals to critical velocity, the satellite revolves around the planet in a circular orbit. So we have a formula of critical velocity under root of capital G m by r, where capital M is a mass of a planet around which the satellite is revolving, capital R is the radius of a planet, and G is the universal gravitation constant, 6.67 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. So these three quantity are constant for a given planet, but small m is a mass of a satellite. But in this formula we do not have any term which is containing small m. It means that critical velocity of a satellite is independent of mass. You take m1, m2, m3, you take any satellite, the critical velocity of all the satellite will remain same. It only depends on the mass and radius of a planet.